He said he could not reveal who was the financiers behind his weaponry and the money he had. He said he's not allowed to speak on it. But the brothers that we sent, they're not stupid. They read very well between the lines, okay? Just like you and me, we can read between the lines. They are paid to do a job. Who did America send to control Haiti? You know what country went? Kenya! Kenya! Type
Kenya,
in
yeah.
Kenya sent to Haiti.
Kenya
Kenya
the
sent
police.
to Haiti.
Yeah. Sorry. I thought, that's actually a big topic right now. They actually sent our police officers to go to Haiti to destabilize and to spread peace in Haiti. Yeah.
Put that on the screen and read it.
Kenya is sending police officers to Haiti as part of a multinational security support mission authorized by the UN to help combat gang violence. Kenya's President William Ruto has pledged to deploy 1,000 troops. The first contingent of Kenyan police arrived in Haiti in June 2024. The mission is intended to support the Haitian National Police in restoring security and combating gangs.
The whole thing is about their resources. Getting Haiti's resources, getting Haiti's minerals. That's all it's about. And President Ruto was the first one to go, I'll go over there, to help destroy more black people.
The hell is this?
You got to think about it. There's war all around. You got war in Sudan. You got war in Congo. Why did Kenya say, we'll fly way over there to Haiti when there's a war right next door? Why don't you help stop the war right next door? Nope. What about Nigeria with Boko Haram? Stop the terrorism. No. We're going to fly to Haiti way over there. We don't even speak the language, but we're going to fight you, my own black brothers and sisters, because America and the UK said so. Yeah. There's your Kenyan president right there. You can't make this stuff up.
It's embarrassing. It's embarrassing, and I'm actually interested. How was the conversation between you guys and barbecue? How did it go? And I know, how did it go? How did it go?
The conversation went very well because we weren't there as spies for America. He tested the brothers, and he found out, oh, these guys are not spies. The conversation was amicable. It was deliberate and understanding about what's going on in Haiti. He said he could not reveal who was the financiers behind his weaponry and the money he had. He said he's not allowed to speak on it. But the brothers that we sent, they're not stupid. They read very well between the lines, okay? Just like you and me, we can read between the lines. They are paid to do a job, okay? And black people are the puppets of white society. I'm going to say it again. Black people are the paid puppets of white society. White society is the wicked the Bible speaks of. And until we realize that, we're going to suffer oppression consistently.
Hey, it's your girl Kia from Traverse Culture.
And it's your boy Orino from Sell Africa to Africans. And so Sell Africa to Africans is partnering with Traverse Culture with an initiative called Journey Back to Eden, which will be from which date to which date, Kia?
December the 28th to January the 4th. That's the 7-day itinerary. And December the 28th till January the 8th is the 12th-day itinerary with a 3-day event where we will have a business conference, a cultural exchange expo, and New Year celebration.
Yes, exactly. So this is an opportunity for you Africans in the diaspora to come back home because we love you and we miss you. This is your home. I know it's been 400 years, but this is a good first step to get introduced to Africa through Kenya. So please come home, have fun, but mostly learn and socialize and build relationships with Kenyans. We are willing to talk. We are willing to just socialize and get to know you well, because that's the foundation of how we are going to live as Africans once we unite and we live together in future. So come home, welcome home, Karibu Kenya, and Africa is for Africans.